Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you what's in my daily makeup bag. So these are some of the products that I use every single day, and these are some of my favorite products to use. So makeup for me is just not to look good but also feels me so good. So if you guys wanna see what's in my daily makeup bag, so then please keep on watching and I'm going to show you one by one. So then if you guys wanna subscribe my channel, then please do it. So let's go. So the first thing in my bag is this primer, the professional primer from Benefit. You're supposed to use this before foundation, and it makes your foundation to stay put all entire day. So yes. And then there is a foundation. The foundation is Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation. This is full coverage. Sometimes I would like to use Fenty Beauty foundation as well. Fenty Beauty and this foundation are my favorite foundation. So yes. So the next thing is this concealer from Maybelline New York is Rewind Concealer. This is again my absolute must-have in my makeup bag. I cannot do without this. I use foundation every single day. So sometimes I use just only concealer to hide my dark circles and like highlighting tones, and I'm done. So yes, this is my favorite. And we have this compact powder which is from MAC Studio Fix powder. This is not only for set your foundation, it gives you extra coverage as well. So eyebrow pencil, of course eyebrows is everything. I use this Goof Proof brow pencil for daily use. And of course this my clear brow gel. Next is this mascara which is from Katrika Cosmetics, and blush which is from Elegant Pro. It goes with any outfit or any lipstick. So yeah, I just love this blush. And then next is Cola Bronzer which is from Benefit. Of course I have one liner as well, so which is from Elegant Pro Line Art. And of course my favorite part, my highlighter which is from Fenty Beauty. It's called Hustla Baby. It's Hustla Baby. And I have some brushes. Yeah, this is for concealer, to blend my concealer, and this is for foundation which is from Joeva. Yes, you can see. The powder brush with my contour, not contour, like bronzer and blush brush. Oh yeah, I have one beauty blender as well in case I need. And I have one lip balm as well. I have 3 sets of lipsticks in my daily makeup bag, and the one is from Jorana. Look at this. Another one is from Kat Von D. Look at this cute packaging. Oh my god, this is so cute. Look at this. Oh my goodness. And one I have lip gloss. I like to use lip gloss as well. I have this one of my favorite lip gloss, Fenty Beauty. And I always kept one toner. It's very important to keep your skin hydrated. So yeah, I have one of this. That's all guys. It's empty now. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. And if you guys like this video, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. What kind of video do you want to see next? Please let me know in the comment section below. Stay beautiful, stay positive, and stay happy